Hello Virgos, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you and your person. So on one side will be your energies, on the other side will be the energies of the person you're dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. Please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. So let's see what's there on your side, Virgos. What's for the zodiac sign of Virgos? Okay, so we have the Three of Wands on your side, Virgos. Let's see what's there on your person's side. On your person's side, we have the Three of Cups, the most likely outcome. Again, the King of Cups. Again, I am saying because that came out in the previous reading of Leo's also. Okay, so here with the Three of Wands, you are waiting for something, or you are turning your back from something towards something new, or planning to do that. Okay, though you have not moved in that direction, but yes, you are planning to do that, or waiting for the right opportunity, right person, something like that. You're turning your back, either it's like that, or you are waiting for something in general. Let's see what it is. And here on your person's side, we have the Three of Cups. So it can be a reunion, or it can be just a happy time, celebrations with friends and family, with you perhaps, anyway. And as the most likely outcome, we have the King of Cups. So yes, emotions are there. Seems to be a very emotionally controlled situation though. Let's see. As I said, emotionally controlled, with the Six of Pentacles jumping out. It's like it was just whatever amount was necessary was being given in this relationship, perhaps. That's what I feel. Not a huge flow of love, but a sort of trickling down of emotions, perhaps. Anyway, let's see. That card has really not come up in the reading. If it has, it will come up. So let's see, why is this Three of Wands here for Virgos? So for the Three of Wands, we have the Six of Swords. Yes, you are walking away, Virgos, from something. With the Hermit, Six of Swords, the Hermit, ooh, the Three of Swords, and the King of Cups over here. Again, of Cups, Queen of Swords, the Empress, yes, and the Ten of Swords. Okay, let's see what's this Three of Cups for on your person's side. So for the Three of Cups, we have the King of Pentacles, the Justice, the Wheel of Fortune, the Hangman. Okay, three major cards out there. Hangman, the Four of Wands, the Knight of Wands, the Knight of Pentacles, Six of Pentacles has come up, the Five of Cups, the Death and Rebirth, the Two of Swords. Okay, what's there for this King of Cups as the most likely outcome? So for the King of Cups, we have the Sun, the Page of Wands, the Ten of Cups, the Five of Pentacles, the Strength, Ace of Swords. Okay, so Virgos, you are definitely walking away from something over here for a new beginning for yourself. Okay, with the Six of Swords, the Three of Swords, and the Hermit being there, you are there has been something which has really broken your heart, Okay, and your intuition says that you should walk away from this situation. And with the King of Cups, the Queen of Swords, the Empress, and the Ten of Swords, what I feel is, even if there are emotions within you, even if you have emotions, but then still you have gathered control on those emotions, you have totally detached yourself from this person with the Queen of Swords, you are totally showing your brave front, your confidence to this person. You are not showing that you're perhaps breaking inside, even if you are, because you have taken a decision of walking away with the Ten of Swords. You want a new beginning for yourself. You want a new beginning for yourself. That's what I said with the Three of Wands being there. You are done with something and you're turning your back from this situation or this person for whatever reason, and you want a new beginning for yourself, and you are totally walking away from the situation. Okay, you want a new brand new beginning for yourself. You want a new life. You want something which gives you a sense of self-worth and happiness. Okay, and you are done with dealing with these tensions and these things which are really breaking your heart. Your intuition is very loud and clear on this, Virgos. Your intuition totally says that you need to walk away from this situation. Okay, and you are just following your inner voice. You are doing what your inner voice says you should do. Okay, and your inner voice is guiding you for a brand new beginning. You want a breath of fresh air. You want to liberate yourself from whatever is holding you back or whatever is causing this agony to your heart. Okay, on your person's side, we have the Three of Cups. So, with the Three of Cups, we have the King of Pentacles, the Justice, the Ten of Wheels, the Hangman, the Four of Wands, and okay, the King of Wands, the Knight of Pentacles, Six of Pentacles, Five of Cups, Death and Rebirth, and the Two of Swords. Okay, so what I feel here is that things are changing. First thing which I'm getting here is that there are some major changes which are coming up in a situation which was very stagnant since a long time, and this person is quite happy also. That's what they are partying, they are happy, they are feeling very content for, I don't know, whatever the reason is. This person, or maybe that is the this person is a very stable person, can be that also. This person is a very stable person, whosoever this person is, and things are getting sorted out. That's what I feel. There has been a situation which was stuck or stagnant since a long time, and things are moving forward. Justice is being served, things are getting sorted out, and with the Four of Wands being there, there is happiness, there is celebration. Knight of Wands, Knight of Pentacles, there is a lot of passion, there is love. I think what I feel here is that with the Five of Cups and the Two of Swords, the Death and Rebirth, this person is upset. Okay, this person is now trying to make up their mind. This person is feeling very, very upset as to what has happened. They now want to balance it. Even if they were just giving a little bit in the situation, they were not investing much. But now I think, and maybe they have been doing this since a long time with the Hangman being there. But with the Death and Rebirth over here, what I feel is now they are trying to take a decision. Five of Cups, they are very, very upset about it. With the Two of Swords, they are in a mindset of making a strong decision over here. And they really want to balance it. They really want it back. And that is how I think the things are changing now. At least that is what they want. They want things to change, perhaps. They want this stagnation in this relationship to end. Now they are trying to make up their mind to make a decision over here, because it's the most likely outcome. For the King of Cups, we have the Sun card, which is the happiest card of the deck. So it is happiness with the Page of Wands and the Ten of Cups. So what I feel is this is a commitment coming in. That's what I feel, Virgos. With the Sun card being there, with the Page of Wands and the Ten of Cups, so what I feel is this is the happily ever after coming for you. This is you dancing and rejoicing, being very happy. Commitment seems to be coming in over here, Virgos. because with the Five of Pentacles, the Strength, and the Ace of Swords, what I feel is, though you were feeling very upset, or even both of you were feeling very upset about it, here also we have the Five of Cups, here we have the Five of Pentacles. So whosoever was feeling ignored and rejected, and they were dealing with it with a lot of strength. Okay, you did not give in to the situation. You dealt with it with a lot of dignity. Perhaps you didn't show what was going inside, and you just had a brave front, as I said, and you just walked away from for whatever reason it was. But yes, new beginning is coming in. Somebody is having the clarity. Okay, now I want this person back, and now they are trying to make up their mind. And want back this situation, or want you back, want this relationship back. So what's this message from the universe? The heart of the matter, there is more going on than meets the eye. Number 22 may be of some significance for you. Okay, so there is a lot going on behind the scenes. There is a lot which is happening, and people are not showing it. Both of you perhaps are not showing to each other, but yes, there is a lot going on inside both of you. Okay, that is what you need to understand. So Virgos, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.